Assalamu alaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, how are you, friends? Today we discuss about the language. Language is broken into families, branches, and groups. A language family is a collection of languages related through a common ancestor that exists long before recorded history. So, this is the map of different languages: Indo-Asian, Indo-European, Indo-African. The two largest language families are Indo-European and Sino-Tibetan. About 50% of all people speak a language in Indo-European family, and about 20% speak a language in Sino-Tibetan family. Other major language families are Austronesian in Southeast Asia, Afro-Asiatic in Middle East, Negro-Congo in Africa, Dravidian in India. Within a language family, a language branch is a collection of languages related through a common ancestor that exists several thousand years ago. A language group is a collection of languages within a branch that share a common origin in the relatively recent past and display relatively few differences in grammar and vocabulary. Germanic languages branch. The Germanic language branch is probably the most familiar to us because English is closely related to German and is the West Germanic group. German language branch in Europe. Orange is Anglic, light green is Dutch, dark green is High German, blue is Scandinavian. Blue, brown, green, light green. Romance language branch. The Romance language branch evolved from the Latin language spoken by Romans in 2000 years ago, giving the branch its name. The four most widely used Romance languages are Spanish, Portuguese, French, and Italian. These languages correspond to the European countries of Spain, Portugal, France, and Italy. Mountains separate these four countries and are barriers to communication and trade. Semitic language branch. The Semitic language branch is important because Chinese is in it. There is no single Chinese language, but Mandarin is most important and is spoken by about 3/4 of the Chinese people. Cantonese, Wu, Min, and Hakka are also spoken in China, but the Chinese government is imposing Mandarin on the country. The small number of languages in China serve as source of unity and is in stark contrast to India or sub-Saharan African, where many languages are spoken. Ideograms. The other distinctive feature of the Chinese language is method of writing. Chinese is written from thousands of characters. Some of the characters represent sound, by most are ideograms, which represent ideas and concepts. Horse, mountain, rain. Japanese and Koreans. To an untrained eye, Japanese and Koreans are similar to Chinese. In fact, Japanese is written in part with Chinese ideograms, but it also uses two systems of phonetic symbol. Korean is a separate language family and does not use ideogram. Each letter represents a sound. African language families. No one knows the precise number of languages spoken in Africa. Nearly 1,000 distinct languages and several thousand dialects have been documented. Only 10 languages in Africa are spoken by more than 10 million people. Arabic dominates North Africa, but Sub-Saharan Africa is extremely complicated. A good example is Nigeria, which has over 200 languages. it is difficult to find a common language that enough people to can understand. Having too many languages can weaken national unity. Official language in Africa: English, Arabic, Portuguese, Spanish, Swahili, traditional African. Why do people in different locations speak similar language? Origin and diffusion of English. Origin and diffusion of Romance language. English is spoken by more than any other people except Mandarin, whereas Mandarin speakers are clustered in one country, China. English speakers are distributed around the world. English speakers exist around the world because people of England migrated with their language when they established colony during the past 4 centuries. English is an official language in most of former British colonies. Ironically, English was not the original language of England. We know nothing about the original language of England, but 2000 BC the Celts arrived in England from Europe. In return, Celts were invented by Germanic tribe called Angles, Saxons and Jutes around 450 AD. Some people still speak Celtic language in Scotland, Ireland and Wales, but the dominant language became English. The name England itself is derived from Angles land. Diffusion of Romance languages. Romance languages are also spoken around the world because Europeans colonized other countries. For example, Portuguese is spoken in Brazil and Spanish is spoken in the most of Latin America. French is still spoken in the part of Africa and many islands in Pacific. The map of Francophone world are countries that share French heritage and have many French speakers. These are the Francophone. French sign in West Africa. This map shows how many people are fluent French speaker in Europe. Black means native speaker. Number of French speaker in the US. Red, over 80% of map speaker French. Brown, 12 to 18% of speaker French. Yellow, 6 to 12 population speaker in French. Area with many Italian speaker. Area with many German speaker. German signs in Namibia, Africa. Countries where Spanish is an official language or co-official language. South America and South America continent, North America, southern part Mexico. Dialectics. A dialectic is a regional variety of language distinguished by vocabulary, spelling and pronunciation. British and American English are examples of dialects of English. Another example is French spoken in Quebec, Canada, as opposed to French spoken in France. Pidgin, a simplified language that developed as a means of communication between two or more groups that do not have a language in common. See example of Hawaiian. Pidgin blow. God, Goyen, do plenty good night stuff to him. You like try that. I trying to think. Creole or Creolized language is defined as a language that results from mixing of colonizer language with the indigenous language of the people being dominated. Creole language developed as stable nativized Pidgin language. Lingua franca, a language of international communication such as English, is known as lingua franca. During the 19th century, French was lingua franca. It was the preferred language of diplomat and politician, and a strong literary tradition increased its use. A group that learns a lingua franca may learn a simplified form called a Pidgin language. Two groups construct Pidgin language by learning a few of grammar rules and word of